I am gonna show you the best ways to make money online in 2023 and explain each one of them for you. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Some popular ways to make money online include 1. Affiliate marketing, promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral. 2. Online freelancing, offering your skills and services through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. 3. Selling products online, setting up an e-commerce store or using marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. 4. Dropshipping, selling products without holding any inventory, using a supplier to fulfill orders. 5. Digital content creation, monetizing your skills, such as writing, photography, or video production through platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or YouTube. 6. Online courses and coaching, creating and selling courses, or offering one-on-one coaching or consulting services. 7. Stock trading and investment, using online platforms to buy and sell stocks, bonds, or other assets. Remember, these are just a few examples, and it's important to thoroughly research and understand the risks and opportunities involved before investing any money or time into any particular venture. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company's products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead that results from your marketing efforts. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products through your blog, social media channels, email marketing, or other forms of online advertising. When a customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, usually a percentage of the sale price. It's a way to earn money by promoting products you believe in and using your online platform to drive sales. Online freelancing. Online freelancing refers to offering your skills and services to clients through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need work done, such as web design, writing, programming, or virtual assistants. Freelancers can create a profile, bid on projects, and receive payment for completed work. This is a great option for individuals who have skills to offer and want to work from the comfort of their own home or on a flexible schedule. Selling products online. Selling products online refers to setting up an online store or using existing marketplaces to sell physical or digital goods. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce allow individuals and businesses to set up their own online store, while marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy provide a platform for sellers to reach a large audience of potential customers. Selling products online can be a great way to start a business, reach a wider audience, and potentially earn a passive income. However, it's important to research your market and competition, as well as understand the costs and requirements for setting up an online store or selling on a marketplace. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the store purchases the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. The store is responsible for managing the customer relationship and marketing the products, while the supplier handles storage, shipping, and other logistics. This allows individuals and businesses to offer a wide range of products without having to invest in inventory or manage storage and shipping themselves. Dropshipping can be a low-risk, low-investment way to start an online business, but it's important to thoroughly research and understand the market, suppliers, and competition before getting started. Digital content creation. Digital content creation refers to creating and sharing content such as writing, photography, videos, or other forms of media online, with the aim of monetizing it. Platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or YouTube allow content creators to earn money from their work through various methods, such as subscriptions, sponsorships, advertisements, or fan donations. This is a great option for individuals who have a passion for creating and sharing content and want to turn their hobby into a source of income. However, it's important to understand the time and effort required to build a following and monetize your content effectively, as well as the platform rules and requirements for monetization. Online courses and coaching. Online courses and coaching refer to creating and selling courses or offering one-on-one coaching or consulting services through online platforms. This can be a way for individuals to share their expertise and earn money by helping others. Online course platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera allow individuals to create and sell courses, while websites like Clarity or Coach.me offer a platform for coaching or consulting services. This is a great option for individuals with specialized knowledge or skills who want to share their expertise and earn money doing so. However, it's important to thoroughly research and understand the market, competition, and requirements for creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. Stock trading and investment. Stock trading and investment refer to the buying and selling of stocks, bonds, or other financial assets through online platforms. Online brokers like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or E-Trade allow individuals to buy and sell stocks, bonds, or other assets through their websites or mobile apps. Stock trading and investment can be a way for individuals to grow their wealth and potentially earn passive income, but it's important to understand the risks involved and have a solid understanding of the markets and individual investments before getting started. It's recommended to do thorough research and consider seeking professional advice before making any investment decisions. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please share and subscribe to my channel for more useful video like this.